There's no meth or anything like that? Okay. Where's the marijuana located?
On June 30th, 2024, in Marshfield, Wisconsin, officers Ringquist and Larson were dispatched to an apartment residence after reports by a tenant of loud disturbances caused by the tenant, Autumn, which led to the following events.
Hey. You want to come talk to us?
No.
Okay, well, we heard a disturbance up here, okay?
I'm sorry, I lost my contacts.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, no.
What's going on?
I just...
Is Ryan in there?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Amanda.
Amanda what?
Amanda Davis.
Okay. Hey Amanda, you're not free to leave. Put your arms behind your back. Okay, put your arms behind your back now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Please don't hurt me. Please, sir, please don't hurt me. Please, please.
Don't do anything.
Sir, please don't hurt me.
What's your name?
We'll take another one until we know exactly what's going on here.
I'm right now.
All right.
I have PTSD, please. Please, I have PTSD.
Stay with her. I'll make sure Ryan doesn't come out. I didn't double lock those.
Please don't hurt me.
You got a keeper here?
No.
Coach, just go around the front and have him. I'll be good out here. Just go around the front. What are you running for?
I'm just so scared. I'm afraid. I got beat up by the cops. I'm so afraid. Please don't. I'm just so afraid. Please
152 Marshall.
Am I bleeding?
I have one female detained out back. 4-1's going around to the front to try and get back in. We're still not exactly sure what's going on yet.
Actually, you want me on the west flat or where do you want me?
Relax. Just relax.
I'm just very afraid, sir.
Okay, relax.
Ouch.
Stay seated.
Oh, everything hurts. I'm so sorry. Listen, I've been through a lot of physical violence, and I'm just very
If you could join 4-1 on the front, I'm trying to make contact up at the apartment.
I can't breathe inside.
What?
I can't breathe inside.
Okay, I'm gonna have you stand up, okay? Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3, here we go. Up you go. Okay, have a seat right here.
Yes, sir.
Don't move.
Ouch. My neck is really broken, and he was arguing with me, and I just wanted to go home, and I just don't have a ride, and he had my glasses and my brother's stuff in there, so I'm just... I have to go take care of my dogs, but he just started yelling at me, and he always does this to me. He literally always does this to me.
Why are you running from us?
Because
We're here to try to help you.
I'm out on bond, and I'm not supposed to.
You're out on bond?
I'm so sorry. I don't even have to take me now. They can't afford this. I'm trying to get my life
Spell
right.
your first name for me.
These are my babies. Listen.
Spell your first name.
Autumn.
She was at the door pounding to get back in. Told her we needed to talk to her. She ditched out there. Got her out just outside the door on the bottom. I don't think this guy's left yet, but I came right back to obviously trying to figure out what's going on, so no idea other than that what's going on. Marshfield PD. Ryan, we know you're in there. Marshfield PD. Okay, Ryan, just come out slowly with your hands up then. We got some stuff to sort through. Marshfield PD. Come out slowly with your hands up.
I'm fucking naked, man.
Okay, that's fine.
What can I do for you?
Anybody else in there?
Yeah, my kids.
How old are they?
6'4".
Okay. Is there anybody that can come care for them?
No.
Okay, we'll call Human Services.
Why?
Is there anybody that can care for them for the next little bit?
No.
Then we're going to call Human Services.
Don't touch anything. Sit down.
Sorry.
Your phone's right there on the floor on the ground.
Is it?
Sit down.
Okay. Can I please make sure I don't lose that my aunt bought it for me?
Just stay there. What, you done any drinks today, Autumn? Nothing at all?
On my dead daddies.
I want to talk to you. I want to figure out what's going on, but
My ex, she's the one who got arrested for domestic violence last night, just to let you guys know.
we already have her detained.
Good.
We have the male detained in the apartment.
It's not double locking the way I want it to.
Yeah, it's not. I can't help you right now, no.
Everything's okay. We're just gonna talk to your dad, okay?
So is there a friend that can come be with them, or do you really want human services to come out to be with them?
I don't have anyone right now. I don't, really don't.
Alright.
Here, I'm just gonna talk to you in the hall and leave your kids in there for right now, okay?
Are they gonna be okay in there for a couple
Yeah,
of minutes?
I'll be alright.
Okay.
They'll knock if they need something.
Do you have a Miranda card with you?
I think it's on the squad.
Okay. Can you sit tight with him while I go grab him? Okay. Just sit tight with him. I do want to talk to you, but obviously you're detained, so I'm gonna have to read you Miranda first, okay?
Sure.
Because I just want to figure out what happened and what's going on. Obviously, don't go back inside the apartment for right now, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna have you stand up. What do you got going on?
I just hurt everywhere. I've been in accidents and I've been jumped a lot in LA, and I'm in very a lot of pain. So that's why I was afraid. I'm sorry. She's hurting me a little bit. I'm sorry.
We're gonna walk out with the squad, we'll search her, we'll get her secured.
Okay.
Still not exactly sure what's going on, but she ran from us. She was told she wasn't free to go and took off, so. What?
Give me a phone.
Yeah, I've got your phone. I'm just gonna secure you back here, tell me exactly what's going on, okay?
You know, I'm going to Cook County. I got you.
You what?
You don't have to lie, sir.
I'm not lying.
You're going to put me in the
You're
truck.
detained. You're
I'm
not under
on
arrest
bond.
at this time.
I'm on bond.
Okay.
That means I'm not free to go. I'm going to be transferred to Cook County Jail.
Out on bond means you have rules.
And I
Okay.
just violated my bond by having altercation, sir, with you, sir.
Well, what you did is technically obstructing.
Yes, sir.
Resisting, obstructing, or fleeing, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's if we decide to charge you with it,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Until we know exactly what's going on.
Yes, sir.
I know that you were involved in the disturbance and you were told you weren't free to leave and you took off running. Okay.
I'm just afraid of police, sir.
What are you out on bond for?
Evasion, sir.
For what?
Evasion.
Evasion? What is that?
I ran away, sir.
You ran away from where?
You guys.
Oh, for fleeing you're out on bond? Oh, you were in that car chase. That pursuit? Where you bailed out of your car and left it rolling? You're out on bond for that? Anything else? Nothing else?
I don't know, sir. That's all I really know.
Okay, that's all you know?
Autumn was out on bond for a previous incident that month, where she was found guilty of fleeing an officer and possession of...
Pretty much, I just don't understand a lot of this stuff because I don't really go through this stuff.
Well, it sounds like you do. It sounds like you had a history of it.
This is my first time, sir.
Well, this isn't your first time.
Well, not this, but the whole thing with that, I
Okay,
don't.
so here's the thing, right?
I don't
Like, normal people don't just flee from the cops and the traffic stop for no reason, right?
Because I have PTSD because I was beat up very badly, sir. In LA, sir.
I'm gonna read this to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights as I haven't explained them to you?
Yes.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer my questions now?
Sure.
What happened? Because I got there was a disturbance, there's yelling, I show up, she's pounding on the door, and then she tries to bolt out the back away from us.
She keeps telling everyone I hit her, I beat her when we
Okay.
were together. Did not.
Okay.
Did not. Tired of it though. Been hearing it for 4 years.
I understand.
Told her to leave. Said,
Okay.
get your stuff, put her stuff out here. Didn't have any more of her stuff out here. Told her to get out.
What's her name?
Autumn.
Autumn. Okay.
So,
I'll be there in a second.
found her. She couldn't find her glasses. Understandable. She tried having my kids look for her glasses, yelling at them to tell them to look for her glasses. It's not their job to find her glasses.
No, I
Told them to go in their room.
Are,
I found
are
her
those
glasses.
her shared children or not?
Yes, yes. We
Yeah.
have those are our children.
Okay, all
I have
all
full
three?
custody of them.
Okay, I understand.
Full custody.
Okay.
So, found her glasses, told her to leave. She started wrecking all my shit, pounding shit. She finally left.
Okay.
Wasn't about to answer the door for her to come back.
How long has she lived here with you?
She doesn't.
She doesn't at all?
Doesn't.
She's just visiting?
I went fishing, came home.
She was here?
Yeah, watching my kids.
Oh,
While I
so
was
she
fishing.
she was just watching the
Yeah.
kids while you're fishing?
I
Okay.
just came home. That's why I'm showering. 'cause
I
smell like
understand,
fish.
and And if that's the case, I'm sorry, but
Yeah.
obviously we have some things to
Sure.
work through.
No, that's
because
fine.
I have no idea what's going on.
That's fine. I get you're doing your job and stuff, but
So what was going on up in the apartment? What are you guys arguing about?
He just told me to stop telling everyone that I beat him up, that he beat me up. And he told me to tell everyone that I beat him up, like tell the truth. And I'm like, why would I do that? Because you know for years you put your hands on me and I didn't do anything until I couldn't take it anymore. The one time I stuck up for myself, his neighbor witnessed it and I got arrested for disorderly conduct.
And who is he to you?
My baby's father,
So you guys have a kid together?
3 of them.
3 of them? But you don't live together?
I just want to see my kids when I can.
And tonight the argument was about him being violent towards you in the past?
The argument wasn't about anything. He just gets angry and starts problems with me. I don't want any problems. I mean,
Well, I get it. Nobody wants any problems, but you guys were so loud
so
tonight
sorry.
that someone called. I mean, you're in an apartment complex. People are going to hear you guys fighting, right? They're obviously going to call. It created a disturbance.
Report. 110 notified me
Am I
that
allowed
I'm
to have
going to
a
be down in
cigarette?
a little bit. I'll grab those and I'm going to try to speak with her.
At 10-4, if we could grab that bag sooner than later. She's advising she's got stuff on her that she's not supposed to be in possession of. I just want to make sure nobody snags that bag.
I'll be right back. I've got to deal with some things downstairs.
Yeah, this is the same one that fled from Eli. Yeah. She's saying that they were arguing about him being abusive to her in the past and her telling people that he beat her up, and so he wanted her to tell people that she beat him up, and that's what they're arguing about. They share kids in common, haven't lived together since like 2019. She suspects they got 3 kids together. She said that she's got stuff in her possession that she's not supposed to have. I haven't asked what or gone through her purse yet. I basically
She's
told her
been
she's
Mirandized
detained.
and all that stuff.
I just told her she's detained right now. I haven't told her she's under arrest for anything. So I wanted to wait until I spoke with you.
Because you're detained, because we're trying to still figure out what's going on, I want to Mirandize you. I can't ask you any questions without Mirandizing you at this point, okay? I'm not saying that you're under arrest, but I'm trying to still figure out what happened today. Okay, I'm going to read this to you, and then you can pick and choose what you want to answer or not answer. I'll just read it to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights as I have explained them to you? Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer my questions now? What?
do you have to do this here?
So you want to talk to me, just not here?
I mean, I don't understand why we're doing this right here if you're going to take me to jail.
I'm not saying that I'm going to take you to jail. I don't know what happened yet, and that's why I want to ask you questions about what happened.
I just told you I already had stuff on me and I'm on bond, so.
Okay, I don't know what that is.
On a basis, just a yes or no. Are you willing to answer detailed questions or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understand your rights and you're willing to answer questions. Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you have on you?
Yes, sir.
What? Marijuana? Is there anything else more serious?
No, sir.
There's no meth or anything like that?
Sir.
Okay. Where's the marijuana located?
In the cigarette pack in front of my bag, sir.
Is there any other marijuana anywhere else? In any other bag? Is there any needles in there or anything like that? Okay.
I don't like it, sir.
I'm not. I don't know you. I haven't really met you. And do you have a history of meth use? Because I thought I remember hearing that. Okay. What was that? Okay. What happened today?
He was looking loud with me because he doesn't like that I'm in pain.
That you're what?
In pain.
In pain? What do you mean by in pain? What does that mean?
I have a broken neck and I got jumped with 3 times within
Approximately?
3 times within a close proximity.
Okay.
In LA, so I'm physically just crippled.
Okay.
So I have ailments and he doesn't like seeing me weak. He just feels like he's superior than weakness, so he treats me bad when I'm. got jumped by the police
You got jumped by the police
in LA.
in LA?
9 of them beat me up and twisted my neck off my body.
That was
There's
in Los Angeles,
there's
California.
no documentation of it because they didn't write it down.
Okay, but that was in Los Angeles, California? Is that what you're saying? Okay. All right. When did that happen?
I haven't been right since.
Okay. When did that happen?
About a year and a half.
Okay.
2 years ago,
2 years ago, you were jumped by 9 LAPD police officers
Yes, sir.
in Los Angeles, California. Okay. Today, was it just a verbal argument? Did it get physical? What was the verbal argument over?
It's about past
Marshfield units on Laurel Court.
discrepancies, I guess you could say, if you tell me.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Discrepancies, if you tell me.
Okay. What are you on probation or parole for?
I'm just on bond.
You're on bond, so you just have an open case? What's that open case in reference to?
I
Okay.
don't get in trouble. I don't like to be in trouble.
Okay.
I don't feel like trouble is a good thing to be spreading.
Do you wanna talk about that night when the police found your car?
I was on a PTSD episode already.
So did you run from the police that night? Do you have any custody of the kids?
If you want me to pay for it, I will.
I'm not trying to make you pay for anything. I'm trying to.
I just was gonna have this.
Well, hear me out. Here's what happened. I showed up. You were outside the door. You ran. So that's. Why are you? Have I been mean or like just like cruel to you or done anything?
No, but they're just the same to me now because I just into my stuff.
Okay.
I just ran out, looking for any prior 961.
Do you have any prior drug charges?
All right, hop on out, Autumn. Just gonna search you real good here. Nothing's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me.
You got a couple of things.
Yep.
Go and turn around for me. Okay, face bag. Anything in the bra at all? Here's the thing, okay? You're probably gonna end up going out of jail, okay? If you bring anything in the jail, it's going to be an additional charge.
promise
So
I
if
don't have
you
a
got anything
bra.
crotched or anything in the bra, we need to know now. Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
Pick and save. If you head over to 309 South Cherry, meet with our complainant. She left her phone and wallet in the cart.
Autumn was then finally transported and booked into Wood County Jail on the following charges: felony and misdemeanor bail jumping, possession of THC, and drug paraphernalia. However, after release from jail and court trials, she would not be found guilty on any charge. Please consider showing your support by liking this video if you want to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis. Make sure to subscribe to stay informed about future cases like these, and if you overall enjoyed this video, check out the next video here.